Sensibility and practicality define the 2020 Nissan Murano. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, power front seats, a power rear cargo door, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Premium sound drives 11 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.